What is up, everybody? Uh, Welcome back to Sons of the Force. Actually, I might move this just a little bit, just so maybe. I noticed on a lot of my recordings, I need to get a new mic, a better mic. I don't know if I want to leave my light on. I think I'm gonna leave my light on for now, just so I can see the keyboard. Like I said last time, I had a problem. Anyways, I'm rambling. Well, anyways, let's hop right back in here. Alright, and we are back in here. So actually we have done some stuff and things while we were gone. I'm gonna add a little bit to this fire. I think I can? Yeah. Hold up. Hold up. Just a second. Sorry about that. I had got a call. Anyways, add a little bit of sticks to the fire. So I have got some stuff done while I was off camera. Not much. I got some rain collectors built. I got us a drying rack, which I have got some meats to put on there. And I burned some meat. Oh, I keep hitting the exit. I got a stick collector, log, or not collector, holder. I've got a log holder. Sorry, cat's wanting to walk across my keyboard. And also something that I'm going to use to my advantage. Every time you log off, ooh, I don't want that in my hand. New thing spawn, which I am definitely going to use to my advantage. We are going to collect as much as we can before we. I don't know. I kind of want to try a cave today, just because. I mean, watching it and playing it is two different things. Paper. Oh, is that the target? That's pretty. Oh, I don't want to hit that radio. I can't lose watch. Alright, so one thing I want to do today is go out there. Another thing, let's see what we can craft. I wanted to know, so we've got this spear, but, oh, I don't have any sticks. Let's go over here, let's get us a couple sticks. I wanted to know, I was sitting here watching my video back, so we got a crafted club, which may be good, a crafted bow, which we could probably build. Time bomb torch. We do need to build the torch. And a repair tool. Stone arrows. We've got leaf armor. I didn't know if. Hold up, let's try. I'm gonna just combined. Let's see if I have any rocks. Huh. I was wondering if I could combine that with a rock. I don't even know where the rocks are. Really? Anyways, we do need to build. Let's go that, and aha! Let's get us a bow going. And I think 4 is what I left on, so we're gonna go 5. We're gonna remove that. We're gonna go. We need some more sticks. Just grab a couple of them. Yeah, we're gonna go stone arrows. So combine. What is this? 2 sticks, 2 feathers, 2 rocks. Which I still don't even know. Oh, yeah, dummy. Watch this. Watch this. Yeah. We're gonna build one more of them. Go ahead and get some. So there's the rock. I wonder if I could build a. That's what I'm wondering. Can I build a stone spear? Or no? No. Let's go ahead and get us a torch going. We'll put that as 6. What else did I see? Oh, no. So, one thing I did want to do, Bird. No, come back. Dang it. Dang it. Alright. I want to go out here. And y'all are going to get to laugh at me trying to go out here. Ha! I got one. Feather. Feather again. You can actually hit these 3 times and get feathers out of it, which is awesome. Let's go ahead and get this meat. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the drying rack. Let it dry out while we're swimming out there. Let's go ahead and put this on. Yeah. No. Come back. Come back. Take with it. Let's go ahead and put that on the drying rack. I wanna drop that. I really do. And I don't know what button it is to drop, but I keep hitting the exit button to try to do that. Alright. We're gonna try to swim out here. I don't want to die. I don't like this. Because one thing, it would be one thing, so from up here you can kind of see the bottom. But down here, it is so murky. There's some more water in the world. Reminds me of Galveston. How would you say it? Really? Well, this is probably better than that, honestly. The water's so murky. It kind of gives y'all where I'm from. I'm not from Galveston, but Texas, yes. Come on. Oh, God. Come on. He climbed slow up there. I can promise you, if this was me climbing up that thing, well, honestly, I would probably, try to climb up it as fast as I could. But if I seen that right there, Lord have mercy. I'd walk on water. Alright, so I noticed we grabbed a GPS locator, and yes, this is what I was after. We're gonna pop a cap in that freaking. I loaded up. Alright, so I do believe, yes. So, combine. Yeah. Alright, now the pistol. I want to put on. Come on. I wanted to. Okay, anyways. Aim like that, and. Yeah. Take that 9mm. Yeah, how you like that? Huh? Where'd you go? Come on. Come on back. Why can I only walk so far? Look, it's like, I can't. I wonder if I killed him. I think it's because of that. Nope, there he is. I want to make sure and hit him. Where you going? You didn't think I could reach you that far? We got the 9mm, babe. I'm hunting sharks. Well, a 9mm, I'm gonna go ahead and reload. Just drop the magazine like that? That's fine. Here we go. I don't know why. I hope my game ain't messed up. We're gonna pop us a seagull. Hold up, I just want to see. That was awesome. Oh, there he is. Come on, dude. How many 9mm are you gonna take? Alright, we're going. Probably didn't even hurt him none. We probably just ticked him off. Honestly, he's probably gonna come and bite me on the leg or something. Oh god. Or maybe we just scared him off. Maybe he don't want no more of the old 9mm. I'm probably wrong. Oh god. Why am I raising up like that? I don't want to look behind me, but I am. Okay, I don't, that's my weight. I don't see any weight. Oh god. Waves are getting bad. Yeah. Come get me. I dare them, cannibals to try to come get me now. Come at me, bro. Oh, gee. I'm a crouch. Hi. How you doing? I got a nice warm fire over here. I won't hurt you, I promise. I don't even want to put my lighter in my hand. What about my torch? Torch? I got that on 6. I can't see you anymore, so I can't tell whether if you're coming closer to me or not. Let me just walk your way. You gonna dance for us again? Can I get closer to you? I got a GPS locator now. I just want to get by my fire. What if I just put this up? Can I still see her? No, not at all. Alright. I'm sorry, I know y'all can't see. I can't either. I'm gonna grab a couple of these sticks. Oh, Calvin, get out of the fire, dude! What? Really? You just gonna hop in the fire like that? Real smart. Keep on going in the fire like that, you ain't gotta worry about your ears hurting. Let's see. I don't know if it's because of my... Hold up. I had a little light on. No, it wasn't a light. I still can't see. I got a light on because... Alright, anyways. So let's go ahead and save this. And we're going to sleep till the morning. Yeah, yo. Ooh, hungry. Very hungry. And our fire's out. Let's go ahead and get that back. Go ahead and get us some more sticks on the fire. Go ahead and get us something to drink. Get us halfway. Hopefully some of this is done dried. Maybe not. Raw meat, yeah. No. I don't want to eat none of that burnt meat. Oh god. I keep hitting exit. I want to know how to get rid of that burnt meat. I really do. Right here. That's... no. Well. I thought I seen somebody grab it and just toss it out. I don't know. Let's go ahead and eat that MRE. I kind of want to go searching today. I want to just kind of see what we got going on. We'll wait for this meat to dry out. We got MREs and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and where are we at? We're at 15 minutes. Hopefully I can get some videos out today because, or at least recorded, because I have plenty of time to get sold. Oh, cannibals. Or not, I don't think this is the cannibals. Hi, how are y'all? Huh? You wanna see what I got? Come on, come at me, bro. Oh, are you gonna cry? I'm sorry, that's rude. Here, there you go, I helped you too. Alright. Sorry. I don't even know what they were, if they was carrying anything. Look, she's kind of hanging around here now. I kind of want to befriend her. Befriend her. Yeah, this probably stinks, to be honest with you. But, yeah. Oh, look at the animation, how it even goes down, like, sorry to get so graphic. If y'all don't like graphic, go away, but this is what we were wanting from that. Yeah. And now we can make, I mean, look how the skin's going away. That's pretty cool. I mean, pretty cool animation. Oh. Full on bones? No. Is that a hip in there? That's a hip. Alright. So, what I want to do is I want to take them bones. And I want to... Ah, I need rope. Darn it. Can we make a storage stick bed? Oh, that went storage. This is storage. Okay, so stick storage, rock storage, log, bone storage. Here we go. 7 sticks. 7 sticks. You get Kelvin put in some sticks. That was a lot of bones. I don't know if this stuff, well, I mean, I guess it wouldn't despawn. I mean, we got the 9 mil now, so I really don't need skulls. Hey, what did I put my binoculars on? I know I had them up there. They are. See, she's down there. Anyways, let's go. I'm gonna actually put my spear out, just because I don't want to use a lot of 9mm ammo. Oh, is she coming over here to us? Or is she just kind of walking? Hey girl, what up? I'll just keep on walking. Ain't really worried about her right now. Yeah, she's just down there by the river. Yeah, so we got MREs, we got some energy drinks on us, so let's go ahead and... Yeah, she's right there. She's probably going to see Kelvin. Honestly. We're gonna... I want to try to go to this purple marker right over here. We'll see about that. I really don't want to go into no caves right now. But I want to try to... I don't know. Who knows? That might be a cave too. But, yeah. I ain't got to put y'all walking through all this. I wonder what this is. It didn't hurt me, so... Ah, aloe vera. I think... Now, I may be getting games mixed up here. So we make a bandage out of that or something? Or... I know it's used for something. I'm just kind of going through here and picking up stuff also. Just stuff, make arrows and stick, rocks, and just... We pass by it, we'll grab it. Alright. Anyways. Oh, I wanted to grab that rock. Man. I'm just looking at everything, and this... I mean, this game is just so beautiful. The waterfall... Everything. Everything about it's beautiful. And it's just awesome. I wish I had a VR set up. I don't know if you can play this game in VR, but it would be awesome. You just look at it and feel like you'd be in it. In the game. Ooh, what's that new recipe? Yeah, see, there's a health mix. I don't know if I have everything for it, but I mean, apparently I do. We're just going to kind of follow this trail down. That's beautiful. Oh, that's a waterfall right there. We've done walked up it. Like I said, I try to keep my videos around 30 minutes. Stuff like that. Which, I mean, if we go over, I'm not going to be upset. I just try not to. I kind of try to keep an eye on it and kind of... Ooh. Oh, I thought that was some more. I try to... Because I've got my OBS Studios pulled up over here. On my other monitor. I try to watch it. See where we're at. And just kind of pause. Man, this is beautiful. I know we're getting close to it, but... I know we're getting close to the views. Oh, I didn't even notice that on our smaller map over here, it shows us the trail over to the right-hand side. We're coming up on it. Ooh, what is that? Rope! Ah, we got some booze. Maybe we can make a Molotov. Yeah, it's down there. Darn it! Why did I follow the trail? I gotta get it down here safely. Don't really see no safe way. Okay, that didn't work. Ah, I think it's a cave. Huh? Was it up there? Oh, I think it was up there. I don't know, y'all are probably screaming and hollering. You big dummy. It's not up there. We're gonna go back up there anyway. Hey, look, there's a safe way right there. Was it that? I mean, because all I found was some rocks. And some booze. And, I mean, not rocks. Oh. It's a GPS. I see him up there. I didn't even see him hanging. Ah! Can we get him down? Is there anything on him? Yeah. Oh, the flashlight. We got the GPS locator. Alright. We got a flashlight. How do you activate it? I would figure F would be flashlight, but apparently not. Flashlight. We're going to... Oh, actually. I know what I combine it with, but I really don't want to. Not right now. I think 8 we're looking at. So is it still L? No, it's not. Really? How do I activate the flashlight? Definitely want tab. Hmm. Oh, yep, that went in. It's not L. I've done hit it a couple times. It's not F. Not B. Dang it! Alright, I'm gonna have to figure this out later. I'm wasting too much time. Or maybe it just kind of activates on its own. Not too sure. Alright, I did notice that there is a cave right across the river here. I kind of hate how, oh! I chunked my spear. Oh, darn it. That's fine. I was like, why is my spear not? That's fine. We'll make us a new one. Hey, I like how that... I'm sitting here pointing at the screen like y'all can tell. I like how that's glowing, but it has nothing hooked to it. That's real, accurate. That's fine. I'm not judging. I mean, I'm definitely not out here making a game. I want to go across the street here. I want to check out this, cave. Kinda. I don't know if I want to go into it. That may be on the next video. I don't know. Because we're already at 27 minutes. Huh. It must be up here. Come on, dude. You got this. You're athletic. Okay, maybe you don't. Maybe I'll slow down just a little bit. And regain some stamps. Alright, so keep on walking this way. Some all kinds of down there. Darn it. So we found is it over here? Oh yeah. That's definitely it. Did I hear something? Oh yeah, yeah. He was throwing rocks at me. Come on, dude. Come at me, bro. Yeah, come on. There's 3 of them. I didn't mean to get the flashlight out. Put that up. He was just over here throwing rocks at me. That's nice. I kind of want to, before we go in here. Ah, I've got a slingshot. But we also do have a 9mm, so that slingshot's kind of useless right now. Alright. So what I want to do, put all that up. I want to save and stuff before we go in here. I just want to find a pretty thick right here. Pretty thick. Ooh, look at that. I want to pick everything. Oh yeah. So we've got these skin pouches. Open that bad baby up, and they have some pretty good stuff in it. We got, what is that? Some wire, tape, feather, and some berries. Huh. All right, so let's set up camp real quick. We're just gonna throw something down here. Dang it. Just going to throw us up. I kind of like these. And I do believe... Right, let's go ahead and save here. Yas. And I don't believe we have any bones on us, so we can take this guy. Let's go ahead and build us a fire right here. Let's go ahead and drop all this. Get all that out of my face. Alright, so yeah. So next episode we're going to get him. Alright. So next episode we're definitely gonna go in this cave. So yeah, I think we're gonna end it here. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe, and please comment down below what game you would like to see next, or maybe even your thoughts, you know. If you like it, if you hate it. Yeah. Anyways, thank y'all for watching. Bye-bye.